Hi friends, today's question is, do you need money or do you want money? If I tell you to think about money for some time, then what you will probably think of? Yes, you will start thinking about this and more of this, right? Well, my friends, this is just a medium of exchange, and this is not money energy. What do you think? See, the first thing, we often do not have clarity with the energy related with money. This is a currency which is operational in this country and will have no value if we take this to other countries where it is not acceptable, unless we exchange this in the currency of that particular country. At the same time, think about those 1,500 notes which were banned a couple of years back. What if you have it in millions and billions now? It will have no value. Yes, you got my point now. Then, coming back to the question, what is money? Money is the energy and probably one of the strongest energy which, if flows in abundance, can give you wealth, comforts, securities, pleasures, and even all your dreams can come true. My friends, if you want money, then it is already with you. This is different, that maybe you are not satisfied with its volume in your life. Believe me, my friends, the energy doesn't know about that. But if you start shifting your perception from want of money to need of money, then things will start changing for you. I told you, money is an energy, and energy always flow in abundance. This is one of the strongest energy, as most of the people give their emotion, feelings, thoughts, and vibrations to this energy. It is becoming stronger with every moment, 24/7. Now, when this is an energy, then it should flow freely, and we have to change our perception to attract more of this energy in abundance in our life. In this video, I will be sharing some tips for you, and you check where you need any rectifications. Now, if you are expecting to get a magic spell or some miracles, then I'm sorry, I don't have it. But, energy works equally for all. I can only help you to polish your antenna so that money flow in your life or abundance in your life becomes as easy as you breathe. Now, there is a technique for it. Now, let's go directly how to activate this energy for your highest good. First, have clarity. Money loves clarity and transparency. You must be clear why you need money and how much to make all your dreams come true. It must not be in a confused state. Second important thing is keep your purse clean. No old bills, old cards, or other unnecessary items in it. It should not be empty also. And carry your purse on your left side or left pocket. And it should not be old also. Check your reactions while you are checking your bank accounts. What do you feel? Sad, depressed, negative? Oh, I don't have so much. Or full of joy, happiness, overwhelmed? It does not matter how much balance you have now, but be super confident, happy and proud while checking your balance in your bank account. Remember, your balance is your balance. It's unique, and you should always feel proud for what you have acquired. You should be thankful for that. Good pictures should be in your awareness regarding money. Like you pray, na? You should also talk with this energy and be thankful. Be communicative with this energy. Now, the most important part is change your perception about money. There is nothing known as, believe me, as good or bad money. Our intention while using it gives it colors. You have a free will. You can buy guns with it or can feed the needy. Be kind to others and do random act of kindness, which is very, very important. Be classy in your attitude, as if you are already enjoying the abundance and the money flow in your life. This is a very unique way of attracting money flow. You have to act, behave, think like a true millionaire. Don't spend before you become one, but act like a millionaire. Do window shopping or put all those things in your cart by going to any online sites. Spend mentally if you can afford. If you can afford, then carry a hefty amount with you always. You don't need to spend it, but you will feel more secure and attract more. Positive energy attracts positive energy. The important part, replace these two words permanently. These are negative words from your life. If you want to become rich, that is fear. Fear of not having enough money and lack of money. If you constantly concentrate on these two words, then actually you are making it a reality in your life. Subconsciously, you are praising it. Well, you can carry a yellow citrine with you. This crystal will remove money blocks in your life and even can light a candle by giving your good intention. This is a very ancient method to activate the energy. Especially the candle therapy is great to do on full moon day, Purnima ke din. It does not matter, my friends, how much you are earning right now. But after that, spend some and do make this a point to reinvest a portion as per your comfort level. Reinvesting makes money very, very happy. Money loves multi-sourcing of inflows. It should come from different sources to you. And never grudge about the bills or liabilities you need to pay. Instead, be thankful that you enjoyed it. My friends, if you want to empower yourself with this energy, then you have to take your own responsibility. You have to say again and again to yourself that you are worthy of prosperity. I am worthy of prosperity. And chant this line as many times you can so that it gets embedded in your subconscious. To wind I say, bring money my way. To wind I say, bring money my way. Do it and see the difference financially in your life. I hope and wish all the best and see you soon with another video. But before leaving, I must say you that this is an unique way. It's an unique tip that if you follow in your life, the challenge of not having enough money or not making your dreams come true will not be a challenge anymore. Thank you very much and namaskar.